Laboratories are places where special precautions must be taken for staff safety. What exactly are these measures and what individual employees can do?
National regulations govern the handling of dangerous concentrations of dust, acids, other substances coming out of the air in the laboratory. For example, in Europe, the EN 14175 Part 7 recommends the handling of such substances in fume hoods if you use perchloric acid, hydrochloric acid or other acids, for example. And the recommendations also includes that fume scrubbers should be built in these fume cupboards or place it beside to wash out the air coming out of the fume hoods directly at source.
Could you please describe a typical application?
A short example is laboratories that use fume scrubbers in combination with analysis of raw materials or of minerals. They use many kilos acids per day because they have hundreds of samples to analyze, and in these laboratories it's very urgent to have fume scrubbers with high efficiency and with high separation modes. Also, the staff has to put on the operation of the fume scrubber very easily because they have to look at their own work in the laboratory.
What is the main principle of the fume scrubber construction?
The main principle is to have a sort of spray wheel inside that makes a big spray mist inside this spray cabinet. In this spray mist we wash out the acids from the air. And this first step of separation have an efficiency itself of more than 70% coming out of the air and washing down to the liquid. After this, we have a second step of separation with agglomerators and mist separators that also reduces this rest of the acids of more than 20%. So in general, we have an efficiency of more than 90% separation inside the fume scrubber.
Is it easy to handle with, and what it looks like if we talk about servicing?
The handling of the machine is very easy because it switches on and switches off automatically in combination with the fume hood. So normally the user don't have to switch on or switch off the machine. It's doing itself. From the service part, the construction is very service friendly. That means the separation systems are in front of the machine. The access is from the front of the machine and no parts have to be disassembled to get an access on these separation systems. So the construction is very easy and very service friendly to reduce the time to have for service and maintenance.
And what are the advantages of fume scrubbers as compared to central exhaust treatment?
Central exhaust treatment has the disadvantage that in maintenance or in faulty situations, the whole laboratory and the ducts that are conducted to the fume scrubber will be off completely. In these decentralized systems we have the advantage that if one fume scrubber is off, the other fume scrubbers will work or continue their working, and also the fume hoods can be used during this time. That's a big advantage of our system.